Ready, go.
What did you say it again?
Bobby, don't shout.
Why don't shout? Huh?
I don't know.
马都在说。
And why I shouted? Why? So someone keep dropping his receipt, right? Come here, come get out here. Someone keep dropping his receipt, right? Huh? So we're gonna cross the street. The first thing, what should we do?
I don't know.
We gotta check the traffic on both sides.
No
traffic?
traffic coming. There's traffic. Let's go.
Where are we now?
I don't know.
Are we in Naha?
Japan.
We were in Naha, Japan. Today we're in Ishigata Island, Japan. Can you say Ishigata?
Ishikata Island, Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to see there.
Huh?
Let's check it.
What are we going to see?
That one. The protection signal.
Hey, kitty delivery. The flying crow. What's this again? This one?
I don't know.
It's a manhole.
Manhole.
Yeah, wait. We see a parking lot over there.
Yeah. Oh!
What do you see? Hey,
Come here.
tell everyone what's the words mean.
Full and vacant.
What does this mean?
Full.
What does this mean?
Vacant.
Okay, come here. You want to go to the traffic light?
Yeah, let's see. It's a red light. There, see? It makes sense.
You are wait, right?
Because there's a speaker. There's a speaker on it. It's a speaker.
Hey, is it loud or quiet?
Quiet.
Huh?
Quiet.
Yeah, it's more quiet than the ones in Naha or Japan.